everybody, my name is April Place and I'm the Director of Church Life at A&M United Methodist Church, and welcome to my kitchen. Each year for Easter we have hosted a breakfast after the sunrise service for our whole church family. Since we're not able to gather like we normally do this year, I wanted to share with you guys a recipe for the breakfast casserole that we have been serving there for several years. This is a casserole that I found on Pinterest like a million years ago. I've tweaked it a little bit to make it my own. I highly recommend it. It's very easy to do, feeds a crowd, and just a great way to start your morning. So let's get started and I'll teach you guys how to make it.